I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Kwesi. On this channel, the only thing we seek to do is to help you to earn passive income with crypto. So if you are new to this channel, before you go any further, just spend a few seconds, hit the subscribe button so that anytime I drop these videos, you'll be the first to take advantage of these deals. Some of these deals don't last. They are just for a couple of days and things like that, and you want to be the first to get in and benefit. In this video, I want to talk to you about Ember Fund. Okay? So Ember Fund, it's a program that I believe is not getting a lot of attention, unfortunately, but really a good platform for you to make money or earn some crypto with this. So Ember Fund is a program that has investment packages and portfolio for you to invest in. But for this episode, I'm not going to talk to you about that. So you can see here that they have a lot of portfolios. They put together some crypto and they have some portfolios where you can invest in it and earn some income. I've not tried this, and so I can't judge or I can't speak to it. So in this video, that is really not my focus, but I want to talk to you about how you can use this app to earn some Satoshis, which can be converted into Bitcoins free of charge. So how do you get started? You look in the show notes or the description, and then you see the referral link that you will need to set up. Click on the referral link. You need to use your mobile phone device. This platform uses works on the mobile device. So you click on the link in the notes there. It is going to take you to your Play Store or your App Store and download this app. Once this app has been downloaded, you need to register or sign up with very simple process with your email address and with a passcode. You will be set up on the platform. You need to choose a username as well, an email, and then a passcode. Very simple. In less than 1 minute, you would have registered and you have the app installed on your phone. The next thing is for you to start earning your Satoshis or your Bitcoins free of charge using this platform. So what do you do? Once you have the interface like this, you look on the down far right corner, you see the shape of an axe. Okay, you click the axe symbol here, and once you click the axe symbol here, you will see that once you first register, this earning button you see here, it will be green. So you just click on earning, and then it's going to start earning for you. Okay, it's going to start earning for you. Once you start up, you're going to earn 5 Satoshis per hour. 5 Satoshis per hour, and your mining will start automatically. Now you can also boost your mining speed, okay, by clicking boost in the top right corner there. Okay, you click on boost. This page is going to open up, and this is like your dashboard where you see your metrics and your numbers. Here you can see clearly that to boost your mining rate, okay, there are 3 options for you. First of all, you're going to have 5 Satoshis per hour for signing up on this app. Number 2, you can also refer a friend, and once you refer a friend, you also get an extra 5 Satoshis per hour, so it will be added to yours, making 10 Satoshis. If you keep on referring more people, for any additional person, you still keep adding on or keep earning an extra 5 Satoshis per hour. Okay, and then also you can invest in their portfolio and also increase your mining speed. Here you can see all the people you have referred here. So basically that is how this platform works, and the more you refer, the higher your mining speed, and you can be earning more or be mining more and more Satoshis. Now the minimum withdrawal amount is $5 US. The minimum withdrawal amount is $5 US, or currently that's about 11,500 Satoshis. 11,500 Satoshis. So once you have that, you can withdraw this into your wallet. Okay, and another thing I must say is that for you to continue to mine on this platform, you need to log into this app once every 24 hours. So my advice or my recommendation is that put on the notification on this app. Once you download it, you see a notification bell in the top corner there. Click on it And also you may set an alarm so that every 24 hours it will ring, alert you so that you can log into your Ember app, Ember Fund app, and then click on earning for you to resume your a new session or your new Satoshi mining session. If you just leave it, it will mine for you, and then it will not continue after the first 24 hours ends. So just very simple thing: download the app, register, start earning, refer to friends or share with friends to increase your mining speed, and withdraw when you have $5 minimum. So it's pretty simple. Loving it. It doesn't waste your it doesn't rely on your phone battery, so it doesn't waste your battery. Very safe cloud mining app, very easy to use. So go ahead and use the referral link if you want to join my team. Once you join, let me know. You can hit me up. Look up for our Telegram channel, where we always drop tidbits and stuff that will help you to earn crypto passively. Also feel free to message me, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you. Hope it's been useful for you. Thank